Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, June 25th. We're going to be seeing partly to mostly cloudy day out there today, and then partly cloudy tomorrow with very pleasant conditions before we get rain returning to the area midweek. But taking a glance ahead towards next weekend, it is going to be an absolutely beautiful weekend to look forward to. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see a very warm day across the mid-Atlantic with most locations seeing temperatures in the low 90s. Cool spot was Ocean City, only getting up to the mid-80s. Our lows this morning were rather mild across the area, down in the low 70s for most locations. We did see some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity across the region yesterday, with all locations picking up at least a trace of rain. Norfolk did receive the most at 0.63, and Wallops we did see a half an inch. As of 9 a.m. this morning, we are seeing temperatures rising to the upper 70s for most locations, near 80 across the Tidewater, and then a little bit cooler in the low to mid 70s to areas to our north. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing some northwesterly winds as of 8 a.m. at the surface, all the way up to 3,000 feet, increasing to 21 knots at 3,000 feet, and then turning zonal above that layer, maxing out at around 41 knots at the 12,000 foot layer, and then remaining between 30 to 40 knots as we go up to the 25,000 foot level. We are seeing a freezing level this morning just below 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, we are just seeing some mostly upper level cloud stream across the region. There is some lower level clouds near that 6,000 foot level this morning, and this is going to be the case for much of the day. And then as high pressure builds into the north tonight, we are going to be seeing these clouds slowly clear out, with looking at a partly cloudy day to perhaps even a mostly sunny day as we go into tomorrow. So taking a look at our surface analysis, you see we did have a weak front move across the area earlier this morning, and behind that front we are seeing some northwesterly winds starting to draw in some drier air into the region. We are going to be having high pressure continue to build north of the Delmarva as we go throughout tonight and into tomorrow. And then there is a weak low there that you can see across southern Illinois. That is going to continue to slowly track eastward as we go throughout the week, and then that is going to give us a chance for rain once it arrives here early Wednesday morning and throughout the day on Wednesday. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, we are going to just continue to see high pressure build in as we go throughout the day today slowly, and that's going to help to clear out our clouds as we go into tonight. And by tonight, we should be seeing some mostly clear skies across the region as that high pressure builds just north of the area. We'll also see those winds become fairly light across the region. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, we'll see those winds shift more easterly as high pressure shifts off to the northeast. We're still looking at just a partly cloudy to perhaps mostly sunny day with that easterly flow, which should also help to keep our temperatures a little bit cooler than we have been seeing lately. As we go into Tuesday night, the forecast is becoming a little bit more difficult, as even though it's only a couple days away, there is still lots of disagreement in the models that we have been seeing what this weak low is going to do as it approaches the Cape Hatteras area, and that is going to give us some rain as we go into Wednesday, but there's still a big question mark as to how much rain is it. Some models are showing a weak, that low deepening a bit as it ejects off the coast and over the water, and then kind of hanging out throughout the day Wednesday. How strong that low gets as it deepens just a little bit off the coast is going to be the what really decides how much rain we get across the area, and also going to depend on how far north that low reaches. As if that high that's going to be building in tomorrow remains a little stronger, it could keep that low farther south. So still lots of questions regarding the forecast for Wednesday, but for now it does look like there is going to be a decent chance of at least some scattered shower activity throughout much of the day. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we are going to be seeing a very beautiful day across the region under mostly cloudy skies with no weather hazards expected, with a high of 83. We were seeing those winds northwesterly around 8 to 13 knots this morning, and they will become more variable this afternoon, starting off northerly around 7 to 12 knots, and then shifting southeasterly at 5 to 10 knots by the mid to late afternoon hours. And then as we go into overnight, we'll see those winds become light and variable before they increase from the east at around 7 to 12 knots by mid-morning Tuesday. We are going to be seeing a seasonable low tomorrow morning of around 65 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to just be seeing scattered to broken deck near between about 3,000 and 6,000 feet as we go throughout the day today, and still seeing broken to overcast deck of some cirrus clouds near the 25,000 foot level. But we will be seeing those clouds slowly clear out tonight as high pressure builds to the north, becoming just a few around 4,000 feet with just a few scattered cirrus clouds at 25,000 feet, becoming few at 4 and few at 25 by early tomorrow morning. We're still seeing tides out there slightly above normal. For the next couple days, we are going to be, for Tuesday, we are going to be seeing a beautiful day tomorrow as high pressure is in control under partly cloudy skies with a very pleasant high of 80. Could even see temperatures just max out to the upper 70s if we get into any cloud cover with that easterly flow. On Tuesday night, we're going to be seeing some mostly cloudy skies early, and then it's going to become overcast after midnight as that low approaches from the south. Could be seeing a very slight chance of an isolated shower near dawn Tuesday night, but I think the rain for the most part is going to hold off until Wednesday during the daytime. We'll be seeing a more milder low on Tuesday night of 70 degrees. On Wednesday, we're going to be mostly cloudy to overcast throughout the day, continuing that easterly flow with that low to the south, and also going to be seeing some scattered rain showers. Going to be seeing a high in the mid to upper 70s for Wednesday, and we could be seeing a wind advisory as well, depending on how strong that low to the south gets and tightens up that pressure gradient, gives us some stronger easterly flow across the region. So taking a look at our next 7 days here, going to be seeing low 80s for today and tomorrow under partly cloudy skies, and then Wednesday, that's when that low is going to impact the area, only seeing a temperature high in the mid to upper 70s with scattered light rain showers about. Still a big question mark is how much rain we are going to get on Wednesday. So hopefully that the models come to better agreement as we go into tomorrow. And then Thursday, it does look like we're going to be having a weak front move across the area, which could spark off some scattered showers and thunderstorms. There is a question about how much instability there's going to be, which is related to that low on Wednesday, but it does look like we'll get at least a chance of some scattered showers Thursday with just a slight chance of some thunderstorms across the region. And then we're going to have some high pressure and a strong upper level ridge build across the mid-Atlantic region as we go towards the end of the week into next weekend, and that's going to really dry things out, give us mostly sunny skies Friday through Sunday. Not expecting any precipitation, and it's going to be that high pressure sitting right over us, and that's going to help keep the clouds pretty much at bay with temperatures in the upper 80s and lows in the low 70s. So it is looking like it's going to be an absolutely perfect weekend as we go into this upcoming weekend. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.